Alright, what is going on, you guys? Here at my parents' house again, so you know exactly what that means. I got something new to install to the car. So right now what I'm gonna be working on, got some lights for my fog. I got 8000K fog lights. Hopefully they're not too blue. Some of the pictures I've seen, they look blue, others they don't, so who knows if it's the filter. So I got them for both sides, and I'm sorry about the wind. For some reason, every time I come down here, the wind is super crazy. And then we got my brother over here. Tell me what you guys think. He lowered his Z. By how much? 1.25. Looks really good in my opinion. Makes me want to do that. I mean, I'm sitting like a monster truck here right now. But anyways, to get the fog lights, I guess I got kind of lucky in a way. This thing cracked for me, so there's an opening to it. All you gotta do, can't really see, but just reach in there, took the cap off, and that's pretty much it. Gotta do both sides, and let me show you guys which ones I got. Shout out to my girlfriend for telling me about Amazon Prime. It's really good for a car guy if you're impatient with your stuff. So here we got the bulbs. Like I said, 8000K LED. So I'll see you guys here in a bit. Let me just install them and I'll show y'all how it looks. So my camera died, so hopefully, I'm sorry about this quality, using my phone right now, charging it. So I'll probably show y'all on the other side, but pretty much all I did, I got the bulb right here, took off the cap, angled my tires this way. All you gotta do is unclamp it, and then I just gotta install the new one, and that's pretty much it. So the other side is going to be a little bit more difficult because I don't have this opened like that. But just give me a few, I'll show you the process of the other side, and hopefully my camera's charging enough to record that part. Alright, so I got my new bulb right here. All lighting, I'll put the description on the I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in these. So just give me a few and let me go ahead and install this. Let's check it out. Boom. That's the way it looks. Pretty happy with them. They look super, super nice. That's the after look. This is the before, so major difference. Major difference. Really like that a lot. This is what I was talking about on the other side. So it's not an easy access, but I just need to take off that top bulb up there. I mean, not the bulb, the screw. Then undo those two right there, I want to say, and I should be able to access it. So let's see. Just a regular screwdriver. There's one. I don't even need to undo anything. All I did, got the screwdriver, put it on there, kind of pried it open, pulled it back, and then boom, we got access to the fog lights. Same thing. Undo the, I just gotta undo the bulb, the cap, twist to the left, pop that out, and now the bulb, twist to the left, got it out. Now just gotta undo the clamp. Alright, so I actually move my wheels in. It's a lot easier to access it that way. And I just gotta take off the old one. So I got the old one off. Time to get the new one. And just in case you guys were wondering, because when I was looking around on YouTube and didn't really see much info. I have a 2014 2.0 turbo Genesis, and the correct bulb is H8. So, like I said, it's an H8 LED bulb. That way you guys don't get confused or anything. I got your answer. Fairly easy to put new ones in, to replace. Not even hard at all. So easy, cavemen could do it. Boom. You just connect it. Just be careful, don't touch the bulb part. That way it can last longer. Got it in. Let's double check and make sure it works. Look at that nice LED light. Got it on. Now just put it back on and that's pretty much it. So it's finally nighttime, going on a cruise. We got the 350Z over here, we got the Genesis, and this is the way those lights turned out. And honestly, like, they're a little bit too blue for my liking. I just feel like it's a matter of time before I get pulled over, and I've only had them for a day. So I'm here at AutoZone. I'm gonna see if I can, these are 8,000 Ks, but they seem like they're running at, I want to say 10,000, so we'll see what we have here at AutoZone. If I get any new bulbs, I'll show y'all what I have. If I don't, then that means I'm still testing my luck with these. So thanks for watching, you guys, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.